Greetings everyone, this is Immaculate from IMA Recreation. We have been recreating traditional games for recreation. This game I am just documenting from the living memory of people. One of my customer contributed it in last Bhumi Sante. So she said it is played with 4 shells. Any number of people, it's a family game. Any number of people, any age group, they will sit around and everybody will take turns and throw 4 shells. When the 4 shells are thrown like this, okay, so if you get like this, we have already seen there is one game where if 2 open mouths are there, you should not shake also. You have to do like this, then you have to hit one with each other. That should not go and hit others. Then they will get 2 points. And these 2 are 0, you can't do anything. That's all, their turn will get over. Then the chance will go to the next player. Next player will again take 4 and throw like this. So this is again 2 only, so these 2 will hit, then this is no points, like that. House rules. So if you get all 4, then the player who has thrown it will get 4. In fact, they need not even hit it, they will get 4 points. But the family members or the group which is playing around, only if it is like this, they have to touch 1, 1, 1 without shaking. So when they touch and take 1, they will also get 2 points. The player will get 4 points and each one will get 2 points or 1 point, like that. So if there are 8 players, only 4 will touch. So it's the alertness, right? Whoever touches fastest finger type. So if it is fallen like this is straight away 8 points. Okay, this is not 0, straight away 8 points and player need not even hit it. 8 points together only for the player. Okay, and if it is like this, because you can't even hit it because only open ones will hit each other. So this is, she said it's called Mokkai. Mokkai means 0. So any number of people, everybody will take turn and play. You can play some 10 rounds or anything like that. Then at the end, whoever gets more points, they are the winners, like that. Same game can be extended by using 6 shells also. So again, this will be 2. Again, you can't hit the other or shake it. This will be 12 points straight away. So this will be, odd numbers only you will get points. So this will be 3 maybe, but if it is odd, then you have to hit it, then you can count the points. If it is like this, again player gets 6 points and whoever touches, they can only touch 1 shell, they will get 2 points. Okay, and if it is wrongly they touch, then they have to return their 2 points. So something like that. So you can have your own house rules, but this is a very ancient game played in many families. I have seen and heard plenty of games played only using 4 shells or 6 shells or any number of shells and all that. So please do contribute any games your family played. We just want to record it and pass it on to the next generation. Please do play and enjoy the games, and any additional rules you add also, please let us know. Thanks and bye. Immaculate.